Hey everyone, it's Kelly the Frugal Fun Mum. Welcome to the channel and today's video, day 2 of cleaning out the shed, which actually was the next day from filming. However, I probably last did an upload a couple of weeks ago. So trying to just space out the content a little bit. Sorry if you've forgotten since then, you can always go back and watch that. But basically it's just me pulling bits and pieces out of the shed and half of it that I had to put back in there from last time I cleaned it all out, because at the time I didn't have any space under the patio to keep everything and it gets quite dirty and dusty. So today's weather is absolutely gorgeous, so I've decided to pull out as much as I can and try and sort it out, as well as everything else that we've got going on. So here the trampoline is the perfect storage spot for now. I can't believe how much stuff I dumped in there. And some of these things are things that I had in the back of the car. I cannot believe it. These are the boxes from the other day. And yes, some of this stuff I had hidden in the back of the car. So I had to pull all of that out because we needed the car to transport the cans and bottles. So everything is revolving around this shed right now. So today's mission is to take out and give away the treadmill, see if we can give away any of those pallets, and just declutter as much other stuff as possible. As of course, the treadmill is covered with tools and other bits and pieces, and I'm still umming and ahhing. It's me having a pretend workout. Yeah, I didn't know if I'm going to keep that or not. For now, I'm just going to shove that in its spot. Right, these chairs I'm also going to be giving away. I got them about a year or maybe 2 years ago for a project. It must have been, I think, post-COVID. I don't know. Yeah, it must have been. And I thought, oh, I know I can restore those chairs. Hence why I've got these pieces of foam as well. And never got around to it, so it's time to pass it on to someone else that can do it. Got some potting mix here. And yeah, we are trying to get this treadmill out, so of course we're just going to be moving stuff from one side of the room to the other, and we'll worry about finding an actual spot for it another time. That's how it works, does it not? And there's just a junk in general dumped in here, and again need to sort everything out. I've got all these pallets in here because again got inspired watching a lot of YouTube during lockdown and went, oh, I can make some stuff, so I started collecting bits and pieces. Yeah, they're still here. So yeah, I thought I had done okay just pushing them to the side, and then hubby said he actually needs the space to push the treadmill over onto its side to take a few bolts out to help take the treadmill into a couple of pieces. So I've had to clean out all of those bits right there, so that was good. Off camera, hubby came and helped me remove it, and oh, it feels like so much space already. We put it up to give it away on Facebook Marketplace, and it was gone within about an hour. I gave it away for free. Oh, there's some business advertising. Yeah, gave it away for free, and they came and collected it, which was good. It still worked. It's just super old, super dusty. I did give it a really good wipe over, and I'm hoping that the next people love it. So yeah, here it is, just in the driveway waiting to go. I put all the pallets out here as well because we had someone say they were going to come and collect them. Spoiler alert, they're still here. Yeah. And then we had some other things to do. So the next thing I knew, it was late evening and all this stuff was still here on the treadmill and the threat of rain. So a whole lot of stuff went back into the shed. Oh, it's just like playing Chinese checkers. You move things from one spot to another. And also the back of the patio here, I did some other cleaning out of some stuff that I haven't filmed for you guys. So yeah, this is all kind of being dumped on the patio. So that's going to be a job for another time, which no doubt that video will go up before this one does because I'm trying to do things in order, but who knows. Of course, with it being the threat of rain, I can't keep things outside under the patio anymore, so they all need to come inside. So they're just going to be dumped into the office, and hopefully I can get to them in the next couple of days. stay tuned because that could be an adventure all on its own. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I look forward to checking in with you when I start going through and decluttering these bags. What's inside of it is as much a mystery to me as it is to you. See you soon. Bye.